Yeah, my knee really hurts. Your pussy really hurts. We all really hurt. Get ready for a fucking pussy bump. Bump. Thrush. Is it creaming yourself on the back? Oh, I must be dead now. It hurts. What, your vagina's hurting, is it? Oh, that's a shame.
Hello there, boys and girls. How are we doing? This is just, this is going to be a bit of a weird video for some, and weird video for me editing. It's a few days after the event. I was invited along to the Stoke Egg Run. It's a charity egg run for Easter. Basically, the biking community around Stoke all get together, have a massive ride. It's the biggest ride I've ever been on. Thousands of bikers there. It was a massive turnout. It was huge. It was great. And basically, we all get eggs together and charity donations and that kind of stuff, and it all goes to children's charities for, you know, kids and families that they can't afford stuff around Easter. They do one for Christmas as well, like a toy run, which is really cool. But like I said, I've never ever been part of one of these before. This is the biggest ride I've ever been on. There's a lot of bikers there. So basically the premise is that we all rolled up at Stoke City football ground. That was the kind of starting place. We all went off around a run around Stoke, and it was a really, really good time. So I had my missus on the back, we had the cardos going. And that worked pretty well, to be honest with you. It was nice to have a chat whilst we're on the, you know, on the bike and stuff. It was a really good experience, and it was really nice. Everybody was out on the streets waving and clapping and all that kind of stuff. So unfortunately, for some reason, my GoPro stopped recording pretty much halfway through, so I didn't get, you know, the run up to the end and all that kind of stuff. But I'm just going to edit in a few parts now. There's no commentary per se. It's just me talking with the missus, because I was too busy concentrating, to be honest with you, with her on the back and lots of people around you. It was fairly daunting at the start, to be honest with you, but as things settled in, you know, within 5 minutes everything was fine, and honestly it was a really good experience. So bit of a different video for you today. I was going to basically do the entire run to give everyone a sort of idea of what the run would be like. However, like I said, the GoPro decided to just stop recording in its infinite wisdom. So yeah, we haven't got that, I'm afraid. So here you go. Here's what it is. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy this. And until the next time, sod 'em out. Roll.
Don't forget, you will be fine. So you'll just get out this bottleneck, and just keep away from that curve.
Alright, mate. Alright. Yeah. Shall we get on then? Are you on? Yeah, you're fine, yeah. Right, I'm gonna follow Danny boy. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, dearie me. Where? Oh yeah. I didn't even see that. I was like, oh, what? I've just got a little bit of hair just like fucking sticking out here. It's doing me head in. Hey, is that Amy? Literally just said that, yeah. There's quite a few people here, isn't there? There's too many people. Thing is, everyone's looking out for themselves, that's what you've got to remember. Any of the Stoke City guys are here. Footballers. I'm doing like 5 things at once. This is kind of hard, this, because I'm trying to look at who's all around me, whilst trying to look who's in front, whilst trying to see who's thinking at people. So one thing I don't like about this bike in first gear, if you just let the clutch out, that's because of the Euro emission stuff. You've got to have eyes in your back of your fucking head for this. Jesus Christ. Yeah. It's just down these little stretches. I don't want to pin people in. I hate being in the middle, but I'm trapped. God, there's a lot of bikers, isn't there? Fucking hell. I wish I could wave, but I can't. Right, I have to do an intro for the video, I think. Oh, in fact, you know what, I'm just going to concentrate for now. Hey, there's a drone. Say hello to the drone. Tell you what, this is a fucking wrist workout. This is, fuck me. There's Miles Morales. Hello, Miles. It's a creaming yourself on the back. Oh, I must be dead now. It hurts. So usually, from what I've thingied in the past at least, is that you do steps. So you do 2 people at a side. Yeah. Yeah, it's a lot easier to manage as well, because people can see people. Ah, you know what? This is actually really nice. It feels like you're actually doing something good. It feels like you're a bit of a part of something. Sorry, babe. Just fucking, just rip you off. Yeah, doggy. You know what? We've actually got a really clear road behind us. There's no one behind me, which is fantastic. I need to get an adjustable clutch lever because this is fucking torture. I didn't realise this was this big of a thing, to be honest with you. Hey, I found a nice bit. Right, hopefully no one fucking slows down, because I can actually take my hand off the clutch now. Who's that? I'm like the Queen. Is that your mum? Fucking neutral. See, I'm waving, but I'm not looking at who I'm waving to because I can't. Nah. Shit, I forgot there's a speed limit. Fuck, I've just gone straight through on a fucking speed camera. Oops. Nice. Fucking love this bike. There's an MT-07. You know what? I might just do this as just like a random ass video thing without like any talk, because I can't really be asked because I'm too busy concentrating and I don't want to kill people. Bunny! Wave, here's the picture guy. Hello. Oh, there's your dad. Hiya, mate. Hiya, Donny. Donny boy. Oh. It is me. Look at your dad. I'm doing the same thing as me, I didn't even realise. I should maybe tell you before I accelerate off, shouldn't I? I might call this guy on a trike. Fuck yeah. This is actually really fun, this. What, your vagina's hurting, is it? Oh, that's a shame. Put your frilly knickers on. Yeah. Yeah. Is there no way you can like move about and make it a bit more comfortable? Oh shit, I thought I saw, is that her? It's your mum? Yeah. Sweet. This is easing up now. Hold on. There you go. Oh, this is where we were yesterday to pick up the e-cig. It's Longton, yeah. See, I'm still piecing this place together because it's fucking cryptic. Fascists! The PCSOs, they look like they're about 12. Yeah, oh shit. I thought I recognised her, you know, from pictures. I was like, I keep seeing people I recognise from your pictures, and I'm like, am I being retarded? And no. Sorry, I need to tell you, don't I? We've seen everybody today, haven't we? It'll be a good one for YouTube, because it's just going to be like, I'm just going to put it up as like the full run, so other people can have a look and see what it's like if they've never done it before, you know, like first time experience or whatever. Oh, me fanny, me pussy's red raw. I'm gonna say, Danny, I may as well, I'm gonna join you there, pal, because that was taking the piss. I'm actually quite enjoying this, you know. Now that, you know, when you're actually out doing it, I always have this like little motto where it's like, you know, nothing's ever as bad as it seems after you've done it. You know, you worry about going to the doctors, you worry about doing this and that, and then, yeah, I'm taking you up on that one as well, pal. Yeah. Fucking neutral, bloody hell. I keep finding neutral, it's fucking doing me in. Oh. The puppies! It's actually good, this little side mirror down here, the one your knees blocking, I can actually see people for like, on my blind spot. That's why I've got it, it's actually really, really good. So even with you on it, it's not bad. Doggy. It's like when I was little, we used to have like Mayday parades and stuff. It's kind of like that for bikes. Hello, people. Oh, she keeps stopping and giving presents to kids. That's nice. Oh, doggy. Hello, doggy. Oh, it's just parkour. This is the road we came up with Tony yesterday, isn't it? Yeah, I know where we are. Those horrible new builds on the left. Yeah. Is that near where you lived? Oh, so... Doggy! Hello. Yeah, hold on. Yes, it's my sister. They just come out for a walk and they're like, what the fuck's going on here? Yeah. Yeah, it's definitely worth it. Can't find my horn. Hello, darling. Well, maybe he's just videoing because he's got a high-vis jacket and maybe videoing for like his boss. He's like, this is why I'm late. Yeah, my knee's starting to seize up. Fucking hell. No, I think we're slowing down here. Oh shit. Is this Spencer Lee? Oh, my pussy. Yeah, my fucking knee's killing me. Whee. Oh, fuck. Yeah, my knee really hurts. Your pussy really hurts. We all really hurt. Get ready for a fucking pussy bump. Bump. Yep. Thrush. God, my anus. Oh God, my anus. Is it still filming then? Is it still on? Is it still on there?
What does it say? It just says 10.
Fucking hell, he's just recorded that whole thing. Nice.